She's gonna help me make the summertime dessert. It's called Raindrop Cake. Today we're using the agar powder which I used on my vegan gummy bears on the previous episode. So remember, agar is made out of red seaweed. And the reason why we don't use gelatin is that it's made out of skin and bones of animals. And that makes me very sad. So agar is perfect substitute as vegan gelling agent.
The ingredients that we need are simple and easy. Agar powder, water, brown sugar, white sugar, soybean powder, red bean paste, condensed soy milk, and mold to shape the cake.
So let's make the sweet black sugar syrup first and get this out of the way. In a small pot, put 50 grams of brown sugar and 70 cc of water and mix well. Set it for medium heat and simmer until the water evaporates to about a half. This took me around 20 minutes. You will have thick and rich texture of brown sugar syrup to go over the cake. Now let's make the cake part. The cake only has 3 ingredients.
Just water, agar, and sugar.
I think clouds are not clean because, you know, they go down and then, you know, they touch lots of stuff and then they go back up and then I'm pretty sure they're dirty if they do that.
But
right?
they evaporate and only the water particles go up. All the dirty stuff stays behind.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like if
so
you tried
raindrop is water?
I guess so. If you tried to evaporate like sugar water, then only the water would go up. Like even if you colored it, then the color and the sugar would still be like in a bowl. Sugar is really just an option, and you don't have to add it.
With no sugar, it's going to taste like a plain raindrop.
Because agar has no taste or smell.
But it goes well with syrup, so don't worry. I'm measuring 2 grams of agar.
Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix with agar.
500 cc of water little by little in a pot and make sure they're all dissolving. Add the rest of the water.
Put it in a high heat, and once it's boiling, put it in a low heat for a few minutes.
Make sure the liquid becomes transparent.
Prepare a bowl with ice water and cool down for a bit.
Okay, after about a few minutes, we can pour the liquid into the mold.
Agar can set at room temperature, so we'll leave it here.
But it's more tasty to eat it cold, so we'll leave it in the fridge once it's hardened. We're going to make dessert number 2.
We're adding red bean paste to the raindrop cake mixture. This is 4 grams of agar powder.
550 cc of water.
250 grams of red bean paste.
Put it on high heat.
I'm going to transfer this into the container.
The raindrop cake is setting, so let's put it in the fridge.
Now the raindrop cakes are ready to be plated.
Place these banana leaves on the plate.
We couldn't find bamboo leaves, so we cut out banana leaves. I'm going to put the black sugar syrup on my plate.
This is condensed soy milk.
It's so jiggly.
It's super jiggly.
I'm going to put the soy powder on the side.
This is the red bean paste.
We were promised a special topping, so now we're going to see what it is. Ready? Oh my gosh. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Oh my god.
There's some gold. It's gold leaf.
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna be a great topping for the raindrop cakes.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Perfect
Just
topping.
a tiny bit. Oh, that's so pretty.
There we go, just a tiny little bit.
So cute.
It's really good.
Does it taste like a raindrop?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a raindrop on the table.
It's like Jello, but like better than Jello.
It's really good. Hard water.
Hard water.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Ready? Doesn't taste like anything.
I don't taste it.
I'm full. This is like surprisingly filling. Filling. Thick Jello. Wait on this one.
It's so thick. Pokemon. You're just like the vacuum for water.
This is the red bean version of the raindrop cake.
I'm excited to see how this tastes. It tastes like red bean paste, but it's like a little bit jello-y.
It's a perfect, easy, fun summertime dessert. Enjoy it!
That's it for today. Please hit like or leave your comment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for my next cooking video.
Bye! I love you!